Apple's next major iPhone launch is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated tech events of the year. Every September, Apple captures the attention of millions of users worldwide, and this time is no different. The upcoming lineup is widely expected to feature the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, and according to multiple new leaks, Apple could be preparing a subtle yet meaningful display upgrade that may significantly enhance the overall user experience. While the changes may not appear revolutionary at first glance, early reports suggest that Apple is focusing on refining the front display design, an area that plays a crucial role in everyday usability. If the leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro series could introduce a smaller dynamic island, offering a cleaner, more immersive look without sacrificing functionality. iPhone 18 Pro display leak, smaller dynamic island incoming. A new report from well-known and relatively reliable leaker, Ice Universe, indicates that the iPhone 18 Pro models will maintain a design language similar to the current generation but with one noticeable adjustment: a reduced-size dynamic island. The bezels are expected to remain identical to those on the iPhone 17 series, preserving Apple's signature slim and symmetrical frame. However, the central cutout at the top of the display may shrink significantly. The iPhone 18 series retains the same bezel design, except for a smaller central island. The overall bezel size remains the same as the iPhone 17 series. The leaker shared on Weibo. If this information proves accurate, it suggests Apple is refining rather than redesigning. Instead of introducing a dramatic aesthetic shift, the company appears to be optimizing the existing display layout for a more seamless appearance. Even a slight reduction in the dynamic island's footprint could increase usable screen space and create a noticeably sleeker front profile. In a market where visual symmetry and screen-to-body ratio matter more than ever, this small adjustment could make a surprisingly big difference. What a smaller dynamic island means for users. Dynamic Island was originally introduced as Apple's creative solution to integrating hardware components, such as the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors, into the display without resorting to a traditional notch. Rather than hiding the cutout, Apple transformed it into an interactive software feature that adapts in real time. Currently, the Dynamic Island displays incoming calls, timers, navigation directions, ride-sharing updates, voice recordings, music playback, and background app activity. It expands and contracts fluidly, turning what could have been a visual distraction into a functional multitasking hub. If Apple reduces the size of the Dynamic Island on the iPhone 18 Pro, it would likely require shrinking the physical components underneath it. This includes the Face ID module, infrared sensors, proximity sensors, and the front camera system. Achieving this would point toward advanced internal miniaturization and possibly new sensor technology that maintains performance while occupying less space. Importantly, even if the hardware cutout becomes physically smaller, the Dynamic Island as a software element can still expand when necessary. That means users would continue to enjoy the same real-time alerts and interactive features, but with a more compact and less intrusive default appearance during everyday use. The result? A display that feels more immersive when watching videos, gaming, browsing, or scrolling through social media without losing any of the smart functionality. Apple introduced with Dynamic Island. iPhone 18 Pro design evolution, not revolution. Some Apple fans may be hoping for a bold new redesign, perhaps even a completely uninterrupted display. However, current leaks suggest that Apple is taking a more measured approach with the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. The bezels are expected to remain consistent with the iPhone 17 models, ensuring uniformity and structural durability. This strategy aligns perfectly with Apple's long-standing design philosophy. Rather than rushing into radical changes, Apple tends to iterate carefully, refining details year after year until the product feels perfected. The company often focuses on internal engineering advancements that gradually improve the external experience. A smaller dynamic island may not sound groundbreaking on paper, but visually, it could make the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max feel more futuristic. The reduction in visible hardware elements would enhance symmetry and draw more attention to the display itself, the centerpiece of the smartphone experience in everyday use. Even millimeters matter. A slightly reduced cutout could subtly elevate the premium feel of the device. Will the standard iPhone 18 get the same upgrade? Another important question is whether the standard iPhone 18 model will receive the same smaller dynamic island. Reports suggest that the base iPhone 18, expected to launch in spring 2027, could adopt this refined display design as well. Uncertainty remains around the more budget-friendly iPhone 18e. Apple has historically differentiated its Pro and non-Pro models through display technology, camera capabilities, and premium materials. It's possible that Apple will initially reserve the smaller dynamic island for the Pro lineup, using it as a key selling point. If that happens, the iPhone 18e might retain the current size dynamic island, allowing Apple to maintain clear segmentation between entry-level and high-end models. This tiered approach helps Apple justify premium pricing for Pro devices while keeping the standard models competitive. What about the rumored iPhone Fold? Beyond the traditional iPhone lineup, speculation continues to grow about Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone. If Apple is indeed developing an iPhone Fold, reducing the size of internal display components would be essential. Foldable devices demand maximum screen real estate and minimal visual interruptions. A smaller Face ID module and reduced cutout could play a critical role in making a foldable iPhone visually seamless and technologically viable, although there is no official confirmation. The rumored miniaturization of display components in the iPhone 18 Pro could signal groundwork for broader innovation across Apple's future devices. It may not just be about this year's Pro models. It could be part of a longer-term strategy. Why this leak matters, at first glance. Shrinking the dynamic island might seem like a minor cosmetic tweak, but in the highly competitive smartphone industry, small design refinements often shape consumer perception in powerful ways. More usable screen space, improved visual balance, and advanced internal engineering all contribute to a premium user experience. If Apple can successfully reduce the hardware footprint without compromising Face ID accuracy, front camera quality, or security performance, the iPhone 18 Pro could deliver one of the cleanest and most polished displays ever seen on an iPhone. As September approaches, additional leaks and reports are likely to surface, offering further clarity on Apple's plans. For now, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max appear to be shaping up as refined, thoughtfully upgraded devices focused on display enhancement, hardware, miniaturization, and the continued evolution of the dynamic island concept. All eyes are now on Apple to see how these rumored changes materialize on stage, and whether the smaller dynamic island becomes the next big step toward a truly all-screen iPhone